Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to host a Battlefield 3 server on your Windows VPS or on your own server on your own computer. So in this video I'm going to use the server. This is my server. I'm going to first go to my server. You can use your normal computer. You're going to go to zlloemu.net and you're going to quickly hover to the FAQs and click Battlefield 3 server. Then you're going to download the files and we have to wait for a while. So these are the files bf3r r40, and I'm gonna click download. It's about 2 GB files. It's gonna take a bit, and then you're gonna download the server files. So once these two are downloaded, then you're gonna go here and register your server. So I'm gonna sign in really quick, and I'm gonna enter my email, and then I'm gonna enter my password and I'm gonna log in. And then what I need is I have to hover onto oops that's I'm gonna hover onto the my servers and then click add server, and I'm gonna select Battlefield 3 from the drop down, and I'm gonna type, let's say you can type anything over here. This is your login and password for the server, not for anything else. So I'm gonna type Sherry server, and then the password would be Sherry server 123, or maybe Sherry 123. Yeah, I'm gonna add my server. It's currently offline. We're gonna wait for these files until they download. I'm gonna Okay guys, the files have been downloaded and I've extracted some of the files. So now I'm going to delete this extracted file, or maybe you should not delete it, you should keep the backend. I'm going to move it to the main folder. Then I'm going to open the Z server first of all and click yes. And then I'm going to go back to the tutorial over here, and now we have to add this parameter to the Z server. So I'm going to copy this parameter. I'm going to open the notepad. I'm going to add this, and now I'm going to change the pass first of all. First of all, the login. So the login was Sherry server, and I'm going to paste that, and it was Sherry123, Sherry123, and the game, let the game port be the same. The region is EU and everything is all good now. And we're gonna copy this and we're gonna go back to the Z server. Yes, we have to install the certificate. We have to add this parameter, let it complete everything. We have to add this parameter. Hold on. Oh, this is the path, sorry. We have to add the parameter over here and then select the path for the server final. This is the path, and you can name it BF3. I'm going to name it BF3. Auto start, add set. Okay, there we go. And when you add set, you have to click the BF3 and then you can easily start the server. But before that, if you want to make changes in the instance, go to the admin and you can add this, like the change the name. So I'm going to change my server name to Sherry server, and you can change the description. We will say Sherry server welcome or something like that. Server message welcome. You can change all this stuff. I'll change the player count from 32 to 64, and everything is all good. You can also set up Procon for yourself if you want. And now I'm going to click start. The execution code, okay, I need DirectX. I'm going to quickly install the DirectX. You will find these errors in your, if you are on your server, because it's a fresh installation. Okay guys, the installation have been completed. I've clicked the finish button. Now we're going to start our server again, and when we click start, it will open the BF3 a server final file. There we go, we have the file started, and once it says in game, currently it's no game, when it says in-game, then the server will be successfully started. Let's wait for it. I don't see any errors right now. Let's see. Okay, it's in-game, so our server is active. Now we're gonna quickly look at our server. I'm gonna open my Z client and I'm gonna open my launcher. I personally use Easy Launcher, and there we have our server, and we can connect to it and play the game. I'm currently getting 154 ping, so that's nice. That's not nice actually, but that's like kind of okay ping for me. And there we go, our server is active and we can play. That's it. If you guys need help with anything else, just comment down below.